Yeah, okay, fine. Operators. What do you mean by operators? So I think everyone knows because you are very familiar with programming, right? In C programming, you can use this kind of operators. So operators are used to perform certain operations. What are the operation? Simply addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or logical and comparison, all this, right? To perform operation or particular operation, we use operator symbol. So how many operators are there? So based upon few things, means whether it is numerical addition or subtraction, mathematical analysis, arithmetic we have. Now relational operators or comparison operators. Arithmetic operator defines like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all this. Let's go deep into this in coming slides. Relational operators. So if there are two variables are there, what is the relation between them? If there are students, there are two students are there. So we need to compare according to their study, according to their pass percentage, all this. In the same way, we need to compare. And logical operators. Logical operator means and or not, like that. Bitwise operator, assignment operator, and special operators. These are the 6 kind of operators we can do using Python language. So what do you mean by arithmetic operators? What do you mean by relational operators? Let's go. Yeah, these are the arithmetic operation. Remember, this is the most important concepts because you are familiar with up to division, but you don't have, I think, you don't have idea about these 3. So plus is addition. If you want to add 2 or more numbers, then we need to use plus symbol, arithmetic plus symbol. Minus symbol for the subtraction. If you want to multiply, we can use star. Star is the multiplication symbol. Now tell me, print a plus b. A equal to 20, it's a valid identifier. B equal to 2, it's a valid identifier. Print a plus b means 20 plus 2. The answer is 22. Subtraction means 20 minus 2. A is the 20, B is the 2. 20 minus 2 is 20. I'm sorry, 18. Multiplication means 20. A means 20. B means 2. 20 into 2, it's 40. Division operator. Let's discuss more about these things. So till now, there is no problem to understand these 3. Here we have division operator, module operator. Again, you can see floor division. What are the difference between them? In division operators, it gives an accurate value. What do you mean by accurate value? For example, let's take A by B. I want to do this operation. Let me change the color. Yeah, A by B slash, let's say slash A slash B. Slash means division operator. What it gives is, here I'm taking 20 by 2. What is the value? Simply it's 10. This is the value. Or else, if I take instead of 20, I'll take 21 by 2. What is the value? Simply 10.5. 10.5. This is the use of, it gives an exact division value using this operator, slash operator. Not slash operator, we can say division operator, but the symbol is slash. If I say 100 by 3, what it gives? 33.3333 or 66, whatever it is, right? It gives exact value. Coming to modulo operator, yeah, these are both are related. By doing one operation, we can perform. So in our childhood, we have done like this: divide with 2. 20 is there, and we need to divide with 2, and 2 into 10, 20. So the quotient is 10. The remainder is 0. Now, here comes this 10 is whenever I do floor division. Floor division is nothing but it gives quotient. Modulo operator gives remainder. This is the remainder. Let's take one more example. 25 with 3. So 3 8s are 24, and the value is 1. If I want to get remainder, I can use modulo operator. If I want to get quotient, I can use floor division operator. I don't want this remainder and quotient, I want exact value, then go for division operator. Where we can use this operator? Simply, if I give you one number, let's say 5, is it even number or odd number? Don't say by directly. We have to show the program, automatic program. So what is mean by even number? Whenever we divide with 2, it should give 0. The remainder should be 0. If the remainder is not equal to 0, then we can say it's a base number. So how can we say whether it is even number or base number? Simply by 5 modulo operator, because remainder, in the prospect of remainder, we are using the code 5 by 2. What is the value? It throws 1, means 2, 5, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. It's not equal to 0, it is equal to 1. So simply we can say that it's a odd number. So there are multiple applications whenever we are dealing with some kind of what we call codes, then you will understand. Right? Till now, any doubt? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. We'll go for code. Okay. So let's start with the code. Yeah. So are you able to see the screen? Means code screen. Can you confirm that? Okay. Now, these are the operators. I'm assigning 10 value for number 1. and I'm assigning 5 value to the number 2. So both are valid identifiers and I'm assigning 5 values. Now we need to do the arithmetic operation. If we want to do arithmetic operation, there must be numerical values, right? That's the reason 5. Now I want to do the addition. First, let me execute this. Number 1 equal to 10, number 2 equal to 5. Now print number 1 plus. I'm using plus, means addition. 10 plus 5, answer is 15. Let's do number 1 minus number 2. 10 minus 5, 5. Multiplication, 10 into 50. Obviously, 50. 50 is the answer. Now, here the problem. By dividing here 10 by 5, simply it gives exact value 2.0. Instead of that, I'll take 11. So what happens? It must give exact value. Let me execute once again. We are updating the values, right? So number 1 by number 2 means 11 by 5. The answer must be exact value, that is 2.5. So let's check. What? Yeah, 2.2, not 2.5. I thought it's a 2. Okay. Number 1 by number 2. It's a normal division. It gives 2.2. Now, number 1 floor division with number 2. What it's giving? Quotient. So let me do again. This is 5. This is 11. And 5 2s are 10. And the remainder is 1. 1 is the remainder and 2 is the quotient. And now see how Python shows the values or the output. It's giving 2. For the floor division, it's giving 2. And remainder, if I want to get remainder, I must get 1. This is the value. And I forgot, I think this is the double star. Okay. Double star means power of. I'll share my screen. Here you can see exponent operator or power operator. If I want to square or root square, all these things, we can use double star. Single star is for the multiplication. Double star is for the power or the exponent operator. That's the difference between single star and double star. In the code, you can see here, number 1 is 11, number 2 is 5. So 11 power 5. The values here, this is 11, and number 2 is the power 5. 11 power 5. It gives the value. So what is the value of 11 power 5? The Python gives, this is the value. This is all about arithmetic operations. If I want to add, of course, I have taken only 2. You can take 3, 4 and add, subtract, and do multiple operations. Simply it gives output. Any doubts till now? Okay. I think no one has any doubt. Yeah. These are about arithmetic operators. Now, we'll go for next one. That is relational or comparative operators. What do you mean by that? If there are 2 things, there are 2 students are there, and whatever we need to compare them based upon their height or their weight, their marks, or their pass percentage, all these things. Whether he is great or he is great or both are equal. So like that we need to compare. We have comparator, relational operator, comparator operators are four. One is the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Of course, you are very familiar with this. What it returns means the output is whether either true or false. True means yes, the condition is satisfied. Whatever the, for example, A less than B. See here, already have an example, right? I am assigning 50 value to A, 100 value to B. Now I want to compare A less than B. 50 is less than 100. Is it true? No. 100 is a larger number as compared to 50. So it's sorry. 50 is the less than. Yeah. 50 is the less than. Obviously, it's a true because 100 is larger than 50. A is greater than B. That is 50 greater than 100. 50 is less as compared to 100, but we are giving the condition is 50 is greater than. So this condition is false. Remember, in Python, if you want to represent to true, the T must be capital, uppercase letter. False also. And there is one more type is none. These are uppercase letters. Only these three. Remaining all keywords are lowercase only. Remember that. True, false, none. Starts with uppercase letters. Right? Now, A greater than or equal to B. Or A less than or equal to B. 50 less than or equal to 100. Is it true? No. 50 less than or equal to 100. Any one of condition must be satisfied. We'll see in the program. Greater than or equal to. Right? All this will be discussed in the code. Let's see that. Wait. Okay. A equal to 5. I'm assigning the value. B equal to 2. I'm assigning the 2 value to the B. And A equal to B. Okay, I forgot to explain this. Okay, but you can understand here also. A equal to. Here, single equal to means assigning operator. Assigning operator means value is assigning to some variable. Here, double equal to is equal to symbol or equal to operation. In Python, single star is multiplication, double star is exponent or the power. Single equal to is or equal to symbol is assigning operator. Double equal to is equal to operator. So you can see here 5 equal to or else A equal to B. 5 equal to 2. No, 5 is larger. If 2 equal to 2, yes, that's correct statement. But 5 is not equal to 2 here. So what happens here is, let me execute what Python shows. A equal to 5, B equal to 2, and print A equal to B. So is it condition is correct or not? Obviously not correct. That's the reason it's showing false condition. A is not equal to B. 5 is not equal to 2. Yes. Value statement means it's a true. A less than B. 5 less than 2. Not 5 is a large number as compared to 2. So false. And A less than or equal to true. And means 5 is Greater than, any one condition must be satisfied, either greater than or equal. So already 5 is greater than, so it is satisfied. That's the reason it is true. Less than or equal to, not less than, not equal, then automatically it gives false. This is about the comparison or relational operators. All these are comes under conditions. Whenever we are using if conditions, if else conditions or loops, all those, then we can see the output whether it is true or false. Right? Any doubt in this code? Let me see. Yeah. We have 10 minutes of time. So let's stop here because I'll explain you how to download Python and all those things in the next 10 minutes. Tomorrow we'll discuss about remaining concepts. Okay. Let me stop the record.